Okay, you might have not attended this class, I think. That's why, no? So here ABC coordinate is given to you, ABC like this. So I'm just erasing right now. Just see this question, what they're asking here. So ABC, there are 3 poles is given ABC, right? So first question here, they're asking what is the position of pole C? This is the coordinate, easily you can write. B also you can write, A also you can write, correct? Can you write like this? This is a case study question only. So pole C, if you see, this is 5 comma 4, right? 5 comma 4. Pole B, if you see, this is 6 comma 6. Pole A, if you see, A is your 2 comma 7. Okay, so one pole will come here, somewhere here, like this only, like this. So 11th one is clear. Now B is, what is the distance of pole B from the corner of O? So from here to what is the distance? You can find the distance easily by distance formula, Praharshan.
Yes.
That was the next question. And again, third question, fourth question. Okay, we'll do 4 questions based on this. Let me check the questions with me. Coordinate geometry, once triangles, after the triangles is there. Pair of linear equation, 2 variables, then triangles, then coordinate geometry. You want to do question based on case study, right?
Yes, sir.
So case study questions are also very easy questions are there. Nothing is there in that. See, one question I'm just taking the screenshot. Question number 117 to 121. If you want to look at the pages, you can see the pages, page number 109. Okay, if you want to refer the PDF, you can just refer page number 109. So this is a question that Ajay, Bigu and Colin are fast friends in childhood. They were want to sit in a row in the classroom, but teacher wants to, Peter Jordan allowed them to sit them and rotate the seats row wise every day. Bigu is very good in maths and he does distance calculation every day. He considers the center of class as origin and marks their position on paper in a coordinate system. One day Bhigu make the following diagram of the sitting position A, B, C, and next the question starts from what is the coordinate of point A. First question is very easy. All of you just mention in the chat box what is the coordinate of point A. A, B, C, D you can write. Then what is the distance? See question number 17, 18, 19. So what is the distance of point A from origin? Then what is the distance between A and B? Then what is the distance between B and C? Drishi is telling 2 comma 2. Samarth, Praharshan minus 2 comma. I can't hear properly. Tell once again. It's others is speaking. You are speaking. Sound is coming. Some weird sound is coming from that side. So here is answer is for A. A if you see here.
Minus 2 comma 2.
Minus 2 comma 2. Distance of A from origin. What is distance? 2 root 2 you are getting?
It's 2 root 2, yeah.
Then what is the distance of A and B? So B is -1 comma -2, and A already you know that is -2 comma 2. You can find the distance easily.
Yeah, it's root
Sir, option
17.
D, I think so.
You think so? All on the camera first, children. I can't see everybody on the camera. You think so? You are saying, huh? Teja, you are only saying no. On the camera, Teja, fast. Who is not able to on the camera? Please leave the meeting right now only. Because every day I can't. If I'm saying, then you people on the camera. If I tell, then you. Let me wait for 1 minute. Javian, do you have any problem with the camera? Javian. Javian.
2 minutes. 2 minutes, I'll switch on my cam. 2 minutes.
So what is distance between A and B? So 2 plus 2, 4 square, and -2 plus 1, -1 square. It will come like this, no? What is coming? 17. Root 17 is the answer. Root 18 is root 17, no? Teja, we are
Yeah,
saying
root 17.
option, huh?
Sir, C is the answer.
C is the answer, right? Teja was telling A option for 18th one,
I was
right,
saying
Teja?
D, sir. Last one, 2 root 5.
Acha, okay. Then I think 19th one is D1, I think. That's why Teja have did my answer. Teja, you were saying which one answer? D option you were saying, Teja?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
19th one, sir. What is the between B and C?
So that one you finding, without finding 16, 17, 18, you are doing 19 directly.
Yeah, sir.
You have done in notebook or simply seeing the answers and telling?
So, what need of notebooks, sir? We can easily calculate by the graph, sir.
Graph only. How root 2 root 5 is coming? Tell me, Teja. How to root 5? I can't calculate directly by graph. Tell me. How you, by mouth only, without solving only is calculated? How? Tell me how 2 root 5 is coming. Tell. Means without pen paper you can do, Teja, right? Unmute your mic first, then you tell me. I can't hear you anything. Arre? You switch off your camera, Teja. Arre? Hey, where are you went, man? Acha, there's a problem in your camera network. I think your problem, no, Teja. Okay, Teja, you can leave the meeting, no problem. Okay. See, Teja, what I'm doing here. B is -3 plus 1, 4 square, and 0 plus 2 square. 16 plus 4, 20 is coming. Root 20. How? Teja, what is root 20? Teja, on your camera. You can't hear me. I'm going to remove right now. Okay, Teja, you sleep at home. Why you're not speaking anything? Okay, leave. You be like this, man. You don't want to learn. Simply you are wasting our time and your time also. You don't want to learn. That's it. So question number 120th, which is, see children, 120. Question number, Chanchal, you know, no? Root 20 is what? What is root 20? Do you know that, Chanchal?
Sir,
Root 20. Answer, you know, root 20. What is root 20 over here?
sir, 2 root 5.
Okay. How it is coming to root 5 that you know, right, Chanchal?
Yes, sir.
What is root 64? Chanchal, tell me. What is root 64?
8, sir.
And 68? Root 68. Fine and tell me fast. Children, all of you just message in the group answer of 128th question. All of you solve this question number 120. Chanchal will tell me the root of 68. Others, you also tell root of 68.
So 128 I have already sent you, right?
What 28th? What you have done?
Yeah, it's C. Minus 10 by 7 minus 2 plus.
This is a part of this question only, right? Or different question?
No, it's same only.
Achha, from this question
Yeah,
only.
marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Achha. So here AD by DB is given 4:3. AD by DB. AD. Where is D here? Achha, here there somewhere there is a between something is there, right? So
Yes.
AD by DB. Here is a D. So ratio is given, that is 4 and this is 3, correct? 4 and 3.
Yes.
So what are the coordinate of point D? So this is very easy. X is equal to Drishi. What is the answer you are getting, Drishi? Okay. X is equals to mx1, that you know the answer, children. Mx1 plus, sorry, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, you know the formula, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus 1. Those who are not getting this answer, this formula and all, please message me in the chat box so that I can just tell you separately. Okay. So please message. If you can't tell me, Javian, I am not asking the answer from you. Why you are answering this? Huh?
Simply, sir.
Simply you are answering. You are helping people here.
Sir, anyway, it's not going to everyone. It's coming directly to you.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Not to everyone.
Not to everyone.
No,
It's
sir,
only
there is
going
no
personally
option.
to you.
This is direct message, no? Okay. Direct message means nobody can see that message.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Okay, okay, all right.
Sir, isn't the option A?
Option A, 10 by 7, 2 by 7, Praharshan.
Yes.
Solve this. Okay, and I'll solve here. Just see Praharshan. Here x1 and y1 I'm writing here. You relate later the same thing. X1, y1 is minus 2 comma 2, and this is x2 comma y2. You have did in this way only, Praharshan.
Yes.
So mx2 is nothing but your m4 is m, and this is n. You have done the same thing or different?
Sir, I switched it up.
Acha, you switched off. Then how it will come like then?
I got the y as positive 2 by 7.
So this is only if x1 you started from here. So m we should start from here only, m and n. Where you started from there only should do that, right?
Can I get
Praharshan?
minus 11 by 7?
11 by 7. Minus 11, how it comes?
Sir, 4 2s are minus 8, 3 minus 1, minus 11.
Okay, let me solve once. M is 4. 4 into minus 1 plus n, that is 3 into x1, that is minus 2. 6 and 4, 10 only is coming, no? Minus 10 by 7 only is coming, right, Praharshan?
4 into minus 2 and 3 into minus 1.
The answer is what? 6 and 4, 10 only, right?
Sir, minus 8 minus 3 is 11, right?
Minus 3, minus 10, where it is? This is
So like
3
if you switch it up, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11.
You are switching this one, m and n. This is m, this is m, and this is n, you are saying.
Sir,
Huh?
that's what I did. Sir.
No, what I am saying that where you starting from x1, y1. From that side only you should take m and n also. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
So here see ratio, here you see AD is 4. So M is 4 over here. And this is N. Okay. So don't miss out this part. Where AD is there means there is M and here N will come. Chanchal, you understood what we have done here? How we are getting minus 10 by 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are moving to the next question now. So last in there, this question is 121 is not there. Where is 121? Again, next question, only figure I'm just showing you. See the question over here. See, this is the question. What is the distance between A and B? This is a question 122. Okay. This question is one. I'm not showing the total paragraph over
121
here.
is 22.
122. This question. This is different question.
Okay.
Hey, 121 only is there. This is 121.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Then 121. Then where's 122? Acha, this is a part of that question only. Hey. 1 minute. Till 121 is there. So 122 to 125. What the question I've written here, that much will you find, not much. See, here also two questions are there. 123, 124. Teja is still there or he left the meeting?
Sir, he left.
He left the meeting.
Sir, I have my pre-finals to starting from day after tomorrow, so.
Okay, I saw your message. You want any help from my side?
Trigonometry, sir.
Trigonometry. We are doing so many days we have done trigonometry actually. So many days we have done. If particularly any part you are having doubt, just ask me. I'll just tell you separately, or you can ask here also if you want.
Okay, sir.
Sir, are the options correct for 21?
21, yeah. A and B is there. See, A obviously is correct only, no? 3 root 3 you are getting, right?
Sir, I got 3 root 2.
3 root 2. Acha, okay. Children, Rishi, what Rishi is speaking, that you can able to hear properly, or some breaking voice is coming?
There's
Sir, it's like
Breaking sir.
mechanical voice, so which is coming.
like some in the movies, like there is some ghost or something. Like that.
Yeah, that's why I got afraid in starting. Who is some ghost is coming in this or what? I also afraid in starting. I am really in the class or someone speaking from my side. Like that I thought. Okay, see, okay, here between A and B, the A is here 3 comma 4 and B is 6 comma 7. So distance is x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3, 3a square plus 3a square. So root 18. So all options are wrong over here. The answer is 3 root 2. Distance between A and C?
Base.
B. A and C. C option is 9 comma 4. So 4 comma 4 will become 0 only. 9 minus 3 is 6. 36. 36 is 6. Yeah. D and B. D and B will be?
6.
This is 6
Six only.
comma 1.
Same diagonal.
6 square. 6 only, right?
Yes.
Next question number is, this is a flag question actually. This is 126 to 130 is the question number. So So these are the question from for 126 to 130. So questions are from 126, that is, you can see on the screen now. What is the position of green flag? Abba. Where is the green flag only? 2 comma, where it is coming?
2,3 we can take.
So here what they have given in the question then? Acha, see, read the question properly what they have given here.
It's option A.
2 comma 25. How is it? 25 coming? Praharshan?
Please check the question. Here 1 meter, there are 100
It's supposed to be like
one
unit
flower
five.
pot here is 10.
To conduct sport activities in a rectangular shaped school, ground ABCD, lines have drawn with chalk powder, distance 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance 1 meter. Acha. At distance 1 meter, 100 flower. Here there is 100 flower pots are here, right? Have been placed at distance 1 meter from each along AB. As shown in figure, Nishita runs 1/4 of the distance AB. 1/4 of the distance run. 1/4 of the distance means how much she runs. If there are 100, so she runs till where? 2.5 on 2.5 only, no? See, Nishita runs 1/4 the distance AB on the second line. It means 1/4 is here only, right?
Yes.
Correct. And post the green flag. So Suman runs. This is your Nishita, and this is Suman.
This same question is on NCERT, right?
Suman runs 1/5 the distance AB on the 8th line. 1/4 is nothing but 2 only. This is your 2.5, and this is where 2. Second part is 2. Now how? Now tell me the answer for this. What is the position of green
8,
flag?
20. The
25th.
green flag or red flag?
Tell for green flag first. Green flag. What is the answer for green flag?
20. 2, 20.
2, 20 or 25. This is 100. 25. How it is coming?
So 100 divided by 4 is 20.
Acha. So 100 flower pots are placed in distance of 1 meter. Distance of 1 meter, 100 plots are there. 100 flower pots are placed in distance of 1 meter from A to Acha. This is 25 only then, right? Total 100 are there. 100. This is 30. This is 20. All are 10, 10. You just multiply over, children. Okay. Because there are 200 plants. So this is like 10. This is 20. This is 30. This is 40. Like that way, right?
Yes. So they converted into centimeters and they're like 2.
Yes. So here you can write not centimeters. Actually, they are. You can convert that only. Plants are there. No, 100 plants are there. Here 10 plant, 20 plant, 30 plant, 40 plants, like that. In plant form is there. So answer will be what? 2 comma 25. What? Yeah, I can hear now. So what is the position of red flag? Red flag is 8 comma
8, 20.
8 comma 20.
8, 20.
What is the distance between both the flags? So this is 2 comma 20. This is 2 comma 25. And this one is 8 comma 20. So
Good,
5 square minus 6 square plus 6 square. So 25 plus 31. So 56 is coming now.
60.
Sir, it's 61.
61.
61.
So
Yes,
5
okay.
square plus 8 minus 2 is 36.
6
36.
square equals to
25
36.
plus 36.
61 root. So your answer is 61. Fine.
Sir, we could have just looked at the x-axis and found out the answers.
Which one I should look, Praharshan?
x-axis AD.
Acha, AD. Okay. How? But means
You
root
can
61.
easily just
Okay. The root 61 will come how much? It means here to here, right? Like this you are saying.
yes. So like yes, sir, that's.
It's
I
not
mean not
straight.
like that. So like the points and like
Acha.
getting the coordinates instead of
Acha.
calculating 100.
Okay. Next part is what is the distance between red flag from point A? 400 or 64, 464, right? It's root 64 only, 464, right? It's
Yes.
root 464. Now what is the root of this? I think first answer is correct. Check.
4 root 29.
4 root 21
Yes.
will come.
Yeah. It's coming 29 into 16. The whole
Ah,
root.
yeah.
Root 16.
So 4 root 29. Teja has come now. Teja? No. Chanchal, why you are not answering? Chanchal, what you are doing? I don't know. 2 minutes you are coming for, then again you'll gayab from here.
No, sir, not like that.
Then how it is this? You're not answering also, you're not participating in this thing questions. Why is it so? You're not understanding or what?
Sir, understanding, sir.
You're understanding everything. Either you are understanding everything you know from before only or not understanding anything. Two options are there.
Sir, I'm understanding everything, sir.
So everything. Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, next question number from 131. So this is the question 131. From 131. A is taken as origin. What is the coordinate of triangle PQR? Hey, where is PQR? Acha, you should count
Yeah,
here.
that's triangle.
A is
That's the
taken as
vertices of the
origin.
triangle.
Okay. So which is the option? You just check for question number.
Option A.
Option A.
Yes.
132, 133, 134.
Option A is correct, sir.
Option A is correct. See from 132 to 134 now. Option A is correct. If A is taken as origin, what is the coordinate? The 4, 6 is
First, E
coming.
is taken as origin.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 3, 3, 6. Yes. 3, 2. 3, 2, 6, 5. Okay, A option is correct. 132. If C is taken as origin, C is taken as origin from here. See, this is origin now. Then what is the coordinate of point P? If C is taken as origin, what is the coordinate of point P? 1, 2, 3, 4,
last one.
5.
Option C.
-6, -4.
-6 or
Isn't it
6?
6?
Sir, -6, -4, sir.
How 6 will come? You are coming if you are seeing from this
It's
side.
if C is considered of.
So this is like this direction, no? So this is coming in
Yeah.
positive only, right?
If you see,
This
no,
is
no.
origin 0, 0.
Yeah.
So this is your y-axis, right? Acha, yes, Samarth is correct. Because see, this is coordinate
Yes.
means it may be coming like this also, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. Understood, Praharshan?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this will come towards negative side of x and negative side of y also. So both will be minus. So this is bit confusion here. Children will do mistake. So here is what? -6, -4, right? If B is taken as origin, Oh, what and all answers they are asking here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comma 4, no?
4
4 comma.
comma minus
So
4.
for B also it will be minus 4 comma minus 4.
No, this will be
4 comma
4 comma minus 4. C option.
Right? It will be minus 4 comma minus 4, right? Because the down one here and
But where is x? Is x, no? X is positive or negative? Samarth, x is positive or negative? If you are just considering B as its origin. Say.
sir, I am taking it as a negative sir, because
Why it's negative? If this is a center, you should do like this only. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Write this only, no?
yeah. I actually did a mistake.
To match the answers also parallelly, we are not doing mistakes, no, here. Now, what is the distance between
Yes.
P and Q if origin is taken as A? P and Q. So P already you know that is 4 comma 6 and Q is 3 comma 2. The 4 is square plus 1 square. 17, right? Root 17 will come for this answer. Check. What is the answer for this? Root 134.
So it's root 7.
Root 17, right? So next question is, what is the distance between P and Q if the origin is taken as B? See this question, question number 135. What is the distance between P and Q if the origin is taken as B?
So this will also be root 17.
Root 17 only.
Yeah.
P and Q, origin is B. So P is, just mention here what is the coordinate of P and Q if B is origin. If B is origin, what is this P over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comma 4, right? 4 comma minus 4. What is the Q over here? 3 comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8. So minus 4 plus 8 means 4 square plus 1 square. This is also root 17 only. Root 17. Praharshan, these all questions are very easy, you know. Which kind of question you are feeling difficulty?
Said these are easy, but then they ask for the area and they also ask for what's the height or the like and all.
If you are having question as such, you can just post no wise app. We'll just solve it over
But I
here.
don't have those questions. That's a problem. I know the type of questions, but I don't have the model.
Old age homes question is this here. Old age homes, then 138 to satellite images. It's from 138 to what is distance from school from the house? There's no quote. What is distance between S and T? They have submerged here and there. If you are seeing this PDF, no. Questions are here and there. You have seen this.
Yes, sir.
Questions are here and there in this
Which one?
PDF. If you see 136 question, Old age homes, this coming 138 to 142. 138 something else they have given.
Sir, 138 to 142, it's for satellite images.
So if you see
Mm.
138 question, Samarth, it's coming, what is the distance of the school from the house? Where is
Yeah,
school, where is house?
sir, 138 to 142 is
Hmm.
for a satellite question.
One
That,
minute, I'll share completely, share the whole screen.
yeah.
Now see this question number 138. What is distance of the school
Yeah.
from the house? Which distance from school from house? If you are having this much only image from in the satellite image, how, which distance you are talking about then? Say, Samarth.
Uh,
Teja, you came.
Sir, it's written, I guess, right? For
Uh,
the-
what they have written here? See,
Some information.
this is some information they have given here.
yeah,
Yeah, sir, you
I
called
wrote in
me.
it.
No, no, no. I didn't call you. You are sleeping from that
Sir,
time now. Teja,
sir,
Sir,
where you went, Teja? In the middle.
sir, I have a power cut, sir.
Acha, power cut it happened. Oh,
Hmm.
so sad. Sir, can you give your this thing to your parents? Shall I talk to them? Power cut happened or something else happened?
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir, it's a power cut. You can
Ah,
talk to parents.
I'll talk to parents. Okay, fine, fine. What? Then you are telling correctly only, right? Teja?
Yeah, sir.
Hmm. Okay, route 20. I was asking Teja, you know what? Route 20, no. I was asking route 20. What is route 20, Teja? Tell me. That time I was asking for this only. Now power cut will not happen, no, right now. Teja, tell me. Route 20, if you don't know, I'll just teach you, no problem. Tell me now. What we can write for route options I'm giving. Route 5, 2 route 5, 3 route 5, 4 route 5. Which is the answer? Which is the correct answer, Teja? Tell me. Teja, tell which answer is correct over here.
2 root
2 route 5, correct? Teja, can you speak now? Unmute your mic at least now. You leave unmute only. Why you are muting again and again? Unmute, you do unmute. Teja, do unmute. This answer is correct. Very good. But question is how? Tell how 2 root 5 is coming. I think again power cut happened. Leave. When power cut will not happen, no Teja, then tell me this answer, okay? If you don't know this, ask me, no Teja. Next question here is 136 over.
excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, I sent you a case study questions on WhatsApp.
so WhatsApp you have sent.
Yes, sir.
Harder questions.
You can stay, sir.
This is a question based on the quadrant you are saying, right? Right, Samarth? Sorry, Javian. You
Sir,
send
it's an
a.
area related to circles.
Okay, 1 minute. I just. One minute. Let me open this. Hey, again, this is coming. Hey.
That will come, sir, when you log out.
No, before it was not locked. I should logged only in the device.
Yeah.
Scanning. New broadcast. You should go. New linked start method payment settings. Scan code. You have sent the case study from area of circles. I just moved to the area of circles. Okay.
Sir, it is like my pre-finals one question, sir.
Acha, this was there in your test paper.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay. So you're talking about 46 to 50 question?
Yes, sir.
So wait, I'll just crop this one. So this question, children, all of you do this very easy question, no? Nothing is there in this question, right? What is there? Quadrant you should find. Everyone tell me the answer, children, for this 46th one. You are having feeling difficulty, Javian, to do this question.
Sir, I did not understand this question properly.
See, Saint Francis is organizing the annual feast. They want to give cash prize along the memento to the best students. 4 identical mementos are made by the school to award students for 4 values: honesty, punctuality, cleanliness, and non-violence. Each memento is made to shown in the figure, and its base PQRS. Okay. As shown in the from the side, the part PQRS is silver plated. The rate of silver plating is 20 rupees per meter square. What is the area of quadrant OSRO? This you can
OSRO, sir.
this quadrant is there, no? OSRO. O
O is repeated here.
OSR and O. Quadrants should be like covered. No, actually quadrant means OSR is there. We should go to the back to this. That's why OSRO they have mentioned here.
Yeah. Okay.
So area of OSR you can find. No, this is like what? Sector only, right? Chavian?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So area of sector is what? What is the area of sector?
Sir, it would come 38.5 cm.
So pi r square, right? Theta by 360
Yes, sir.
into pi r square. So 90 by 360 means 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. Cancel this. 22 into 7, 154 by 4. The 4 3s are 12. Again 2.
6, sir.
12, 3. 32, 8 will come, no? 38.5, right?
38.5, right? Yeah.
Javian, 38.5, correct? So this was a very easy question. Next question is, one minute. Evaluate the area POQ. All of you write the chat box, children. This answer you write in the chat box, all of you fast. I'm not going to tell this answer now.
Sir, please show the diagram.
Diagram you want to see? 1 minute. Adarsh, on your camera. Chanchal, I want the answer from you only. Chanchal, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Evaluate the area of POQ. POQ, evaluate this area.
1 minute, sir.
This is the easiest question. This is 5-second question. This is nothing is there. POQ is see.
Yes, sir. It's 50, sir.
This is your right
50.
angle triangle. Right angle triangle. If you see this,
Yeah.
so half base into height directly you can mention over here. So 7 plus 3, 10, and this is also 10. So 100 by 2, that is your 50. Anyone having doubt in this? Praharshan, having any doubts? Question number 3rd. Total cost of silver plating the part PQRS. Total cost of silver plating. So you have read the question, no? So what is the cost per meter square? 20 rupees per meter square. So after getting the area, you should multiply by what? 20, right? So what is the total
Yes,
cost?
sir.
So what is the total cost of silvering the plate, silver plating the part PQRS? PQRS. Write in the chat box. This will take, it should not take more than 10 seconds, this question, if you have solved first and second. This is based on first and second question only. Did you remember? Did you understand this?
Sir, it's 230.
230. Okay. Anybody else? Write in the chat box. Don't message, don't tell anything. See here, Adarsh, you are getting this answer. You sent in the chat box. Okay. Adarsh, you have mentioned 230, right? Very good. Yeah, 230 only. Fine. Answer is 230.
How I did this.
See, silver plating PQRS is the this one shaded part, right? So triangle minus quadrant you can do, right? Triangle minus quadrant is nothing but what? Silver plating part will come. Silver plating is nothing but triangle minus quadrant. So triangle area we got 100 and quadrant area we got 38.5. If you subtract, what will get? 100 minus 40 is 60. So 61.5 you are getting, right? 61.5 into 20. So 61.5 into 2 is what? 123. 1, 2, 3. What is coming?
The 50 minus 38.
Yeah, 50 minus 38.5, right?
What I should do?
50 minus 38.5.
The 50 is there. Now I took 100 over here. Okay, 50. 50 is this, right? So this is what? 11.5 into 20. So 230 rupees. Correct. So Javian, you missed this question. This was very easy. Now you might be feeling this was very easy question. No, Javian?
Yes, sir.
And after coming from home also, you are just feeling this is difficult. I think you have not attended the class of ours, no, of this properly.
Yes, sir. I've missed some. I was out of like some.
Because those who have attended the class, they can't miss these questions. These questions are very, very easy. We have did so many tougher questions than this. Calculate the area of major sector. What, Praharshan?
These type case studies won't come for the board exam.
This not case study, actually concept wise also if you think, then also we can do, not a problem.
Case studies will come, right? Case studies are there.
This type of case study will not come, Praharshan.
They said that coordinate geometry and polynomial case studies are the only ones which will come in.
Acha, okay.
Both.
Yeah. Anyway, this is a part of question. Normal questions, if you want to solve, no, the same questions will come. Case study, this is not, don't think this is a case study sums. Seems solve it is a normal sum only. Only we are reading for concepts. So calculate the area of major sector in the figure. You have seen the major sector over here. Someone has answered also.
Let's send you answers.
Acha, 115.5. Super others. You have made long. So here circle minus quadrant, right? Circle area you can find easily pi r square minus pi r square. So pi r square minus what? 38.5. So 3.14 into 7 into 7. All right, here 22 by 7.
115.5
154 minus 38.5.
minus 38. 115.5.
So that's it, no? Javian, any more doubts are there to you?
No, sir.
So last question is length of SR. Length of SR. Length of SR. Where is SR? See the SR value here. Length of SR you just see. SR is nothing but your arc. What is the length of arc? SR.
Length of arc or length of that line?
SR is not line, no, arc only, no. It's coming curve like. See.
Please to check it if it has mentioned arc or
See.
not.
See this one?
No. SR is also a limit from the segment. Other side of this.
What is the length of arc SR they are given? SR.
Oh, arc, yeah, it's mentioned.
Sir, 11.
11.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 11.
11, sir.
So 2 pi r, huh? Theta, 2 by, yeah, 2 pi r by 4. So pi r by 2. 22 by 7 into 7 divided by 2. 7, 7 cancelled, 11 is the answer. So that's your doubt. That's it, no? Javian, any more doubts are there?
No, sir. That's it.
Praharshan, like that only just take the screenshot, send something. If you're having such doubt, you just try to sort it out. But you're not having all those things.
That like it's all the ma'am just writes it on the board, so I don't have the option to take screenshots.
Achha, on the board, you can
So like we have offline school, so that's
in class he was teaching the sums, right, Praharshan?
yes.
Then you can write in the notebook, you can write now.
Sir, notebook writing, it's like, sir, I
like-
don't know what will happen to the question after a minute.
No, to everyone will write if teacher will teach in the class. What? Simply you sit and
They roughly get out the answers. Ma'am will ask, I'll just write it and get the answer.
Achha, when ma'am is over the board, you just see means what ma'am is doing, that's it, no? And then come back home. You should
Sir,
concentrate
I
on.
remember the type of questions that I don't get.
Achha. Type of question, if you remember, how do you ask the question to the teacher? Which type of question you are having doubt? So what do you tell to her?
Sir, I never ask.
Means if my teacher is teaching the class, you don't write any questions in the notebook.
So it depends, sir. If ma'am is checking the notebook, at least write it in the back or something.
Maths means you should practice thing will be there. If it's coming or not coming, if you know well and good, you should solve. If it's not going, that is you can ask to ma'am. No, you should take help, right?
I ask it over there, but at home again, if I like for some reason if I get a doubt in that, I just ask in this class.
Then how do I help you? I'm not getting only which type of question you are asking.
Check them in Google and try to send it. So I have my memory.
At least you can ask your friends only, those who are making the notes of the class notes and all. That you can do at
Well,
least.
I sent you 2 more questions, sir.
2 more questions you have sent. This one.
Yes, sir. The last two questions, 30 and 31.
30 and 31. Which chapter is this?
So one is triangle, the other one is coordinate.
Is it triangle for that trapezium one? I don't think.
30 and 31. It's easy question. Looks easy only. I don't know on solving what
The
will happen.
30th question was in 9th class. I remember in parallelogram subject.
But ninth question or ninth or eighth?
Yeah, this is in 9th class. I remember.
Okay, children, try to solve these two questions. Evaluate the value of x if AB is parallel to DC.
Sir, what is the question?
Find x. You have to find the x here.
Oh,
Actually, what I'm teaching that you are writing in notebook, no? That also you are skipping everything.
sir, I just write it in the rough.
Because we can't check only what you are doing over there.
Sir, I wrote notes for the ones like at the starting, like when you're teaching the chapter. But when practicing questions, I just do it in the rough.
Actually, you should do every questions in the notebook properly. While revising, it will be easier. If you do now rough note, it become like a scrap.
Sir, that's how my book is.
Reading a strategy you should know. In exam time, you can't revise each and everything in exam time. So in one chapter, which all concepts are there, which you can forget, that only you should revise and go to this exam hall, right? If there are 100 questions, how will revise 100 questions in a single chapter?
So that's why I wrote notes, sir. I just like checking the.
Okay, we'll read the concept and go off. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
In the morning, how will we even have time, sir? Like 1 minute before the exam, how can we like revise the questions and type?
Don't touch on notebook only. 1 minute, who will touch? Leave. Why to take tension? Concept.
Sir, some people are there, so they just revise the whole chapter at 1 minute.
Some people, what they do, no, they'll in the thick page, 500, 600 pages, they will revise in 1 minute only. They'll tapper. An exam, if it go out of 100, it's coming 8 marks, 10 marks, 12 marks out of 100. They will write everything. Whole paper, 40 pages, they will write everything. But the marks will come out of 80, it's coming 8 marks or 5 marks like that.
They write essays in math.
Not only maths, other subjects also.
Sir, in English, they'll get good marks.
English.
Yes.
English, all spelling mistakes.
I was very weak in English. My weakest subject is English only. Then, no, weakest than English is social. Social won't touch only, book only. Social.
Sir, no one touches that, sir.
Social is my worst subject. After social, English will come.
Sir, writing social, it's not good. History mainly.
History,
It's the
civics.
most complicated
Sir,
subject. is
MCQs are
computer
easy
science.
only, sir, for social. You just revise, just look at when the dates and all, you can just mark everything.
Now CBSE board is having again vast syllabus on social also this time also, right?
But like
We don't
Yes,
have
sir.
the dictator half.
three subjects, 2 chapters, one is 1 chapter.
You might feeling easiest part is science, no? Because only five chapters in each. Physics 4 chapters, 5 chapters. Chemistry 5.
Chemistry is hard.
Chemistry is hard.
Rather than biology, it's easy, sir. You just tick off the answers. There is nothing in biology and physics. But in chemistry, they're like just twisting everything, like which is exothermic, which is endothermic. And they'll get some equation, we have to get it proper. They're like 1, 2, and 3 options. And like the options, you'll just lose marks with.
What about Hindi, Sanskrit? Which subject you have taken? Telugu you have taken?
No, sir, no Telugu full things.
Because in here, Karnataka, children are taking Kannada, Hindi, or I have taken Sanskrit in my school life.
I also taken.
I took Sanskrit.
And my few friends, Muslim friends, have taken Urdu and Farsi.
What's Farsi, sir?
It's like of Urdu only.
Sir, where is it used, sir?
Means in Dubai and all, if you read no Urdu, that you can read, right? Javian, correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Or some language we can't read, that Urdu Farsi. We can't read only. Who knows?
The Arabic, sir.
Arabic, but their Farsi name is Farsi only. Our friends are reading this Urdu or Farsi. Name only is Farsi.
Sir, actually, I have also never studied Urdu or Farsi.
You can read Urdu, but right?
Very little, sir. Like when I was small, then I took classes. After that, I did not.
Okay, read this one.
Sir, what is
Javian, what is this?
sir? You just drew lines and some question mark and lines at the bottom.
No,
Sir,
see.
I
See.
just know basics, sir. Like Alif, Be, Te, Sa, Jin, Alif.
This one you know. You know what is this?
No, sir.
Once again, I'm writing the same thing. See. This is my name.
Sir, what?
Suryakant.
What the hell? Wait, sir.
This is. Those who doesn't know, no, you can write anything. It will be correct. Looks correct only, right?
Sir, you put something and two dots about it. Your name.
No, same thing I write again. See.
But sir, like if you write big words like a sentence and all, that is how you actually write.
This sa will come, no, Javian. See, this sa will come like this only, somewhere like this.
So, comes like a Chandra Bindu.
Okay, I don't know. Simply one of them, my
Chandra Bindu with
friend,
3 dots.
my friend wrote my name in class 8. That why I remember. I don't know actually exact thing of it, but remembered like this only he was writing. He was writing this way only, but exactly what is I don't know. Okay, children, just prepare for this. This question I'll just solve in the next class. Okay, Javian.
Okay, sir.
And prepare for questions which you're having doubt. Put in Wise app. Then we do one by one. Okay. What 30.6, Adarsh?
30th question 6, sir. And 31st it's
Acha, that's solved. Solution you have 10. Okay, okay, fine, Adarsh. Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.